Hello again. Just can't keep away, can you? Right, I'm not going to do a performance on this one because you really need a spectator for it. So I'll just walk you through what's happening. Well, it's the way I think he does it anyway. It's by Daniel Madison and it's called Axe, but spelled AX3. Right, what he does is get a spectator to shuffle the packet, give them a good shuffle. As I say, this is the way I reckon he does it, or, well, it's the way I'd do it. You spread the cards out, or you get the spectator to spread the cards out, right? Now, the way I'd do it is the cards I'd look for is the second from top, which would make it the Ace of Hearts. Ace of Hearts. I'd look for, say, the third from the bottom. So third from bottom. I'll show you what I'm writing in a minute. Don't you worry. Two of diamonds, and you want a third card, and say you take 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth card. So say fifth card from the bottom. The more you do this, the easier it will be for you to remember what your cards are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 of diamonds. Or rather the positions you're looking at. So I've just written down that the first card is the second from the top, which is the Ace of Hearts. The second card is the third from bottom, which is the Two of Diamonds. And then our third card is the fifth from the bottom, which is the Eight of Diamonds, right? So that's a little prediction that you make. Obviously, you don't write second from top and blah, blah, blah. You just put Ace of Hearts, Two of Diamonds, and Eight of Diamonds. You turn that face down so they can't see it. Get them to square up the deck. And then tell them to write down any three numbers between 1 and 52. And I'll go for low ones on this just to show you what's happening, but they can pick whatever numbers they want to. It'll still work. So say we go for number 7, number 15, and number 20. So they are pretty low. So they've written that on the back of the paper. You have then put the cards into your hand facing down after you just add them face up. Now all you have to do is remember that the first choice is the second from top card. The reason you'd have it second to top is in case one of them's a smart ass and says 1. If they say 1, all you do is just do a second deal and you've got your Ace of Hearts out. If they say more than that, well, you've at least got a cover card on the top which counts as 1. So they're saying 7, so you just want to start counting down cards as if you're taking a random number out of the packet. You're then going to be counting 1, and then do a second deal, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which gives you the Ace of Hearts. So you count up to 7, now you know the next one's going to be on 15, and you've got 2 cards covering it on the bottom. So you do 2 bottom deals, which then gets that card on the bottom. That brings you up to 7, 8, 9. Then you steal off the top, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Bottom deal to pull out the 2 of diamonds. Gets you onto your 15th card. Now again, you know, there's a cover card over your chosen one. So all you've got to do is do a bottom deal to get rid of that for 16. Then off the top, 17, 18, 19, bottom deal for 20, but deal a couple more cards and go, right, I think we should have enough there to cover them. You haven't been counting them. And you say, we'll spread them out, and what we'll do is up jog the cards at the numbers you've put. So you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you'll up jog that card for 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So you just up jog 3 cards from, as they're concerned, the shuffled deck. 3 random numbers they've given, but the cards they've actually pulled out are your Ace of Hearts, your 2 of Diamonds and your 8 of Diamonds. I hope that was clear enough for you. As I say, it can be done with any number. You just got to remember where you've put your chosen cards in the pack and how many dead cards you got before you get to them, and then you just counter that number and a top deal and a couple of bottom deals. Laughing. I'll see you again soon.